7:29 in the morning, Sunday, May the 5th, the Cinco de Mayo. Chachalaca already left. It ate pretty good peanut butter there. Morning.
Well, you already fed them, huh?
No, just some corn. I didn't bring any of the bird seed. Well, I got some more peanut butter that they gave me. Let me go get it from the truck.
Oh, okay.
I gave them a little bit of peanut butter, and the chalacas and some of the dogs were eating that. Let me just program this to a time lapse.
Huh?
I'm just gonna program this to a time lapse video.
They're good, guys. Huh? They're good. Some 4-day-old babies down here at the other place.
Wow, it must be so cute to see. I'm gonna leave that. That one's sealed. This one
okay. I'll use them.
Yep. So one of the chachalacas eating peanut butter earlier.
Yeah, they'll get it.
How much does that little one weigh, roughly?
That's about 4 months old. But these are 3-day-old.
So cute.
Right here. And they're 4 days old now. I didn't get pictures of them when they was 1 day and 2 days. Mama took off on the 1 day. She took off. I didn't get a picture. Second day, I was getting ready to get a picture. Here comes somebody up the trail.
Oh.
Boom, she was gone again.
Yeah.
So it was third day before I got pictures.
Oh.
And she brought them up pretty close to me the third day.
Yeah, she knows. She knows you're not a threat.
Oh Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Okay. That's pretty good, huh? That's pretty good. One day I was going to pee here. I had a kiss of me to take the peanut butter off the knife.
It was.
I was going here and it hit the knife.
It was that hungry. Couldn't wait.
Come on, little one. Come on. Come on back. Come on.
Now you hear about all that inclement weather up north
Oh,
in
yeah.
Abilene and Houston?
Yeah, the wife has her daughter up there south of Dallas,
No.
and I'm a little bit worried about them.
Yeah, I was seeing they got relatives north of Abilene.
Yeah, that's out west on that part.
Yeah. There was that green jays eating that peanut butter.
Yeah, everything but the doves and hummingbirds.